So hello guys, welcome to H King Tutorials. So today I will show you what is beef. Beef is actually a framework, not that beef. It's actually a framework called browser exploitation framework. So let's just search beef framework and we will see what it comes. So as I told, it is used to exploit the browser. So you can see it's written here that it's the browser exploitation framework. So actually it is used to fully exploit the browser, what the user is working, what its history is. We can also hack different accounts using it. So let's see what it comes. So let me become the root. Okay, let me increase the font as well. I'm sorry I did not set it up before. Now it's done. Good to go. So before using beef, you need to update an app get install beef. So you can update. I am not going to run the update, and you need to install beef like this. Already beef is installed in my system, and I don't need to change or do any modify it because it's already in the updated version. So I'm not going to execute the command. So I'm going to close the terminal. Need the terminal. So you can see we've accessed this framework. Now you need to enter the password for the Pritham user. Actually it started, but in your when it will start for the first time, it will ask enter a password which is other than beef. Enter any password which will be other than the beef, and you are now good to go. Now I need to open the link. Okay, sorry, very sorry. I was actually logged in before, so it will come like this. Okay, so as soon as you open it, so let's open it again. So okay, so it has started again. So web user interface has started. Now I need this. So you can see it's beef. So framework has been started. Now it's the framework actually. There are online browsers, offline browsers, different are given. So let me zoom a little bit. So I have minimized it. Now you will see there is a script up. So it is the hooking script. So I need to paste it in my web server folder. If you don't know, Kali, Parrot, they have a inbuilt web server folder. So I am going to open it by using Pluma. So it's actually what I need to open it with any text editor so that I can edit it. Actually, this web server which I am talking about, that file is by var by www.html var www.html. So I have the index.html file there. What I am doing, let me increase the font over here also a little bit. Okay, so I think it's visible now. So what I'm going to do, I have done it works. So now I need to start the Apache server first. So the localhost is this. It works. You can see it here. So now what I can do is that I will copy that hooking script that I saw there. But before that, I need to see my IP. So if config. So I have the IP 192.168.1.7. So now what I can do is 192.168.1.7. So now I will copy my hooking script. So now soon as I copy my hook script, I will copy and paste it in that index.html file. Actually, index.html file is the HTML file that has been designed to execute the front end. So front end, when it executes the file, the full front end is actually covered. Means it does not tell what is the file, or it does not what script is written. It directly covers all the lines that are present in the file. So we don't need to worry be related to antiviruses or any other stuffs. So it's good for me. Actually, when we cannot execute a payload directly, we can execute through beef, because as soon as I am executing it through web browser, so no antivirus can detect, means it can detect but least chance, very less chance. So this is my Apple one. So now I am going to enter the IP and hook the browser. So 192.168.1.7. So it has opened the file. Now let's check the hook browser page. In the online browser, you will actually see that the browser is hooked. It's actually my IP of the Apple machine. You can see down. So let's explore something in it. So let's start. So now if we see 192.168.1.3, we will see the different macOS versions, different cookie ID, different values. So hooking the browser is very much easy and also very much helpful. How? I am going to show you. There are different commands, like we have different commands for browser, we have different commands for exploits, we have different commands for Chrome extensions, there are various commands. We have also host, IPEC, Metasploit, different parts are there. We can also have network and phone gap, social engineering. So let's see what social engineering can help. So let's pick a flash update, sorry, notification bar. So it has already given me what type of script it is going to show. Now let's execute the command and see what it shows. So now if you see my Apple one, it will show the above that notification is there. So I will click that notification bar now. So let's try what it shows in the beef. Let's see. So let's check out what it gives. I think I need to execute it again. So let's wait actually what we can do, if the user clicks, sometimes we can send a backdoor, and so as soon as the user clicks there, we can easily access their machine, or we can get the remote control of that machine. So you can see user has clicked the notification. Now I am going to show you how to create a request for, means, Facebook, so that I can hack into Facebook, anyone's face, not hack into Facebook, anyone's Facebook account. So it's called the petty theft. So I'm going to execute it, and everything is set here, Facebook gray, everything is there. So now let's go to our machine, Apple one, and see. So now it has shown me a Facebook session timed out page. So what I did, I actually did something. I it flashed out, and it will, user will have no doubt. And when I will see my that beef framework command, then I will see that the data has been sent to me. So I have logged in there, and if I see, I will see what are the password, means username and password given here. It's a very cool stuff which I can do, and and take anyone's social media credentials without their knowledge. So I also have another tool called Spider Eye, which can actually, not I, actually Beef. So Beef has another called Spider Eye. So if I execute it, it will actually give the browser screens image, or the screenshot. So you can see here, you need to expand it, and you will see the full, you can see the full page. Actually it is showing me the thing that I have written there. If you see my browser page, it is same as both. So in this way you can use Beef to take anyone's browser. So you can easily do such cool stuffs, and please stay tuned with us to learn something new like this.